Hello dears, I am Jenisha from Arcane Kyanjodi Public School, Chengalpet. Welcome back to Science class for grade 9. Chapter 8, Motion. The topic is Uniform and Non-Uniform Motion. First of all, we learn about what is motion. Movement of any object from one position to another position with respect to the observer is called motion. Movement of any object from one position to another position with respect to the observer is called motion. And next, let me see the uniform motion. Uniform motion. Consider an object moving along a straight line. Let it travel 5 meter in the first second, 5 meter more in the next second, 5 meter in the third second and 5 meter in the fourth second. In this case, the object covers 5 meter in each second as the object covers equal distances in equal interval of time. This is called uniform motion. The object covers equal distances in equal interval of time. This is called uniform motion. And what are the examples of uniform motion? A car going along a straight level road at steady speed. A vibrating spring in a sewing machine. A train going along the track at steady speed. A car going along a straight level road at steady speed. At vibrating spring in a sewing machine. A train going along the track at steady speed. These are the examples of uniform motion. And non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. In our day-to-day life, we come across motions where objects cover unequal distances in equal intervals of time. This is called non-uniform motion. The object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. This is called non-uniform motion. And what are the examples of non-uniform motion? A car moving on a crowded street, a person is jogging in a park, a horse running, a bouncy ball, a man running in a race, a bus on its way through the market. These are the examples of non-uniform motion. And let me see one exercise. The data recording the motion of two different objects A and B are given in table 8. Examine, find out and state whether the motion of the object is uniform or non-uniform. The time is 9:30 a.m., 9:45 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:15 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 10:45 a.m., 11 a.m. and distance travelled by object A in 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, 50 meter, 60 meter, 70 meter. And distance travelled by object B in 12 meter, 19 meter, 23 meter, 35 meter, 37 meter, 41 meter, 44 meter. So, the every time difference is between 15 meter. And distance travelled by object A 10 and 20, the difference between 10. 20 and 30, the difference between 10. 30 to 40, the difference between 10. So, the object A travels 10 meter in the first 15 minutes and 10 meter more in the next 15 minutes, 10 meter in the next 15 minutes. So, the object A travels equal distance with equal time. Equal distance with equal time. So, the object A is uniform motion. So, the object A is uniform motion. And object B. Object B 12 and 19. The difference between 7. 19 and 23. The difference between 4. And 23 and 35, the difference between 12 meter. So, the object B travel in 12 meter and 19 meter, the difference between 7. the object B travels 12 meter in first 15 minutes and 19 meter in next 15 minutes and 23 meter in next 15 minutes. So the object B is unequal distance in equal time. The object B is unequal distance in equal time. So the object B is non-uniform motion. The object B is non-uniform motion. Did you understand? I hope you are all understand to this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.